Hello, this is Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKWA College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under course title Biochemistry, course number FCN 112. Today we will say regarding solution preparation. What is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. In such a mixture, a solute is dissolved in another substance known as solvent. Solute, the substance which gets dissolved in a solution. Solvent, the substance which dissolves another to form a solution. Saturation and supersaturation. Saturation is the point at which a solution of a substance can dissolve no more of that substance and additional amounts of it will appear as a precipitate. Supersaturation refers to a solution that contains more of the dissolved material than could be dissolved by the solvent under normal circumstances. Coming to types of solutions: percentage solution, molar solution, normal solution. Percentage solution, it can be again two types: weight by weight solution, that is weight by weight, W by W. This type of solution is rarely, if ever, prepared in the laboratory, since it is easier to measure volume of liquids rather than weigh this liquid on an analytical balance. W by W, this type of percent solution is usually expressed as W by W, where W denotes weight, usually grams, in both cases. For example, an example of a correct designation for this type of solution is as follows: 10 grams by 100 grams, which indicates that there are 10 grams of solute for every 100 grams total. Weight by volume solution percentage, W by V. Weight by volume percentage, sometimes referred to as mass volume percentage and often abbreviated as a percentage mass by volume, M by V, or percentage, W by V, describes the mass of the solute in gram per 100 ml of the resulting solution. Example: preparation of 10% W by V NaCl solution. Calculations: so 10% W by V NaCl solution has 10 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Procedure: weigh 10 grams of sodium chloride, pour it into a graduated cylinder containing about 80 ml of water. Once the sodium chloride has dissolved completely, add water to bring the volume up to final 100 ml. Note: do not simply measure 100 ml of water and add 10 grams sodium chloride. This will introduce error because adding the solid will change the final volume of the solution and throw off the final percentage, that is equal to weight of solute grams required concentration into volume of the solvent in ml 100. Gram per liter. A gram per liter is a unit of measurement of concentration which shows how many grams of a certain substance are present in 1 liter of liquid. 1 gram per L is equal to 1000 mg per L, that is equal to 100 milligrams per deciliter, that is equal to 1 lakh micrograms per liter, that is equal to 0.1% weight by volume solution, that is parts per million. Unit ppm or parts per million is a unit of concentration often used and denotes 1 part per 1 lakh parts. 1 part is 100 and a value of 1 into 10 power of minus 6. 1 mg per L is equal to 1 ppm is equal to 1 micrograms per ml. G by L, unit a gram per liter, is a unit of measurement of concentration which shows how many grams of a certain substance are present. Volume by volume solution percentage. Volume by volume percentage, abbreviated as percentage V by V, describes the volume of a solute in ml per 100 ml of the resulting solution. Example: preparation of 30% V by V sulfuric acid. Calculation: so 30% V by V sulfuric acid has 30 ml of sulfuric acid dissolved in 70 ml water. Procedure: calculate the required volume of solute. Subtract the volume of solute from the total solution volume. Dissolve 30 ml of sulfuric acid in a 70 ml of water to bring final volume to 100 ml. Why? When you mix concentrated sulfuric acid and water, you must add acid to water in ice bath. Why? Sulfuric acid reacts very vigorously with water in a highly exothermic reaction. Water is less dense than sulfuric acid. So, if you pour water on the acid, the reaction occurs on the top of the liquid. If you add the acid to the water, it sinks and any wild reactions have to get through the water. This is the precaution need to be taken while preparing concentrated sulfuric acids dilutions. Molarity. Molar solution, molecular weight. It is the sum of the atomic weights of all the atoms in a molecule, also called formula weight mole. A mole is also called gram molecular weight and defined as a number of particles whose total mass in grams was numerically equivalent to the molecular weight, or it is the amount of substance containing the Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 1023. Molarity, molar concentration denotes the number of moles of a given substance per liter of solution. Molar solution, it is a solution that contains 1 mole of solute in each liter of solution. Units of molarity, the units for molar concentration are mole per liter. These units are often denoted by a capital letter M pronounced as molar. 1 mole per L is equal to 1000 millimole per L micromole per name abbreviation concentration. Millimolar, small m capital M 10 power of minus 3 molar. Micromolar, micro capital M 10 power of minus 6 molar. Nanomolar, small n capital M 10 power of minus 9 molar. Picomolar, small p capital M 10 power of minus 12 molar. Femtomolar, small f capital M 10 power of minus 15 molar. Molarity of solid solute. Example, preparation of 1 molar NaCl solution in 1000 ml. Calculations, weight of solute grams is equal to m into molecular weight into volume. M is the required molarity, molecular weight is the molecular weight of the solute, V is the total volume in liters. Procedure, dissolve 58.5 grams of NaCl in 1000 ml of water to prepare 1 molar NaCl solution. Molarity of liquid solute. Calculate the molecular weight of the solute. Calculate the molarity of the solute using the following formula. Molarity is equal to percentage into density into 10 by molecular weight. Calculate the volume of the solute needed to prepare 1 molar solution using the following formula. V1 of the solute is equal to M2 required into V2 required volume divided by M1 original molarity. Subtract the volume of the solute from the total solution volume. Mix both the volumes of solute and solvent to reach the total required volume. Example 1, preparation of 1 molar HCl solution in 1000 ml. Percentage 32, density 1.18, molecular weight 36.5. HCl molarity 10.345. Volume required from HCl 96.66 ml. Complete to 1 liter 903.33 ml distilled water. Example 2, preparation of 1 molar H2SO4 solution in 1000 ml. Percent 98, density 1.83, molecular weight 98. H2SO4 molarity 18.3. Volume required from H2SO4 is equal to 54.64 ml. Complete to 1 liter with 945.36 ml distilled water. Example 3, preparation of 1 molar H2O2 solution in 1000 ml. Percent will be 30, density is 1.44, molecular weight 34.01, H2O2 molarity 12.70. Volume required from H2O2 will be 78.74. Complete 1 liter with 921.25 ml distilled water. Normal solution, equivalent weight. An equivalent weight is equal to the molecular weight divided by the valence, replaceable by H ions. Normal. A normal is 1 gram equivalent of a solute per liter of solution. Normality. Normality is the total number of gram equivalents of the solute present per liter of the solution. Normal solutions. The definition of a normal solution is a solution that contains 1 gram equivalent weight, small g, capital E, W, per liter solution. Units of normality. The units for normal concentrations are EQ by L. These units are often denoted by a capital letter N pronounced as normal. Milli equivalents per L is equal to 0.001 equivalents per liter. How to calculate equivalent weight? Equivalent weight for acids and bases. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight of acid or base. Number of H plus ions in acid or OH minus in bases. Example, HCl. The molecular weight is equal to 36.5. The equivalent weight 36.5 because only one H. H2SO4. The molecular weight 98. The equivalent weight will be 49 because there are two H plus ions. H3PO4, the molecular weight 98, the equivalent weight 32.7 because 3 H plus ions. NaOH, the molecular weight 40 and the equivalent weight also 40 because only OH, 1 OH minus ion. CaOH2 twice, the molecular weight 74 and the equivalent weight 37 because there are 2 molecules of OH minus ions. Equivalent weight for salts. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight of salt. Number of cations into valency of number of anions into valency. KCl, the molecular weight will be 74.55. The equivalent weight is equal to 74.55 divided by 1 into 1 is equal to 74.55. CaCl2, the molecular weight 110.98. The equivalent weight 110.98 divided by 1 into 2 are 110.98 by 2, that is equal to 50.49. Na2CO3, the molecular weight 105.98, the equivalent weight 105.98 by 1 into 2 are 105.98 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 52.99. Normality of solid solute. Examples, preparation of one normal solution, preparation of one normal CaOH2 taken twice solution, preparation of one normal KCl solution. Calculations, weight of solute grams is equal to normality into equivalent weight by liter into equivalent weight into V liters, and the required normality equivalent weight of the solute V total fine volume in liters. Procedure, dissolve 40 grams of NaOH in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter of water to prepare one normal NaOH solution. Dissolve 37 grams of CaOH taken twice in a 1000 ml 1 liter of water to prepare one normal calcium hydroxide solution. Dissolve 74.55 grams of KCl in a 1000 ml 1 liter of water to prepare one normal KCl solution. Normality of liquid solute. To prepare one normal solutions, make the following steps. Calculate the equivalent weight of the solute. Calculate the normality of the solute using the following formula. Normality is equal to percentage into density into 10 by equivalent weight. Calculate the volume of the solute needed to prepare one normal solution using the following formula. V1 of solute is equal to N2 required normality into V2 required volume in ml divided by N1 original normality. Subtract the volume of solute from the total solution volume. Mix both volumes of solute and solvent to reach the total required volume. Few examples. Preparation of one normal HCl solution. Percentage 32, density 1.18, molecular weight 36.5, HCl normality 10.345. Volume required from HCl 96.66 ml. Complete to 1 liter with 903.33 ml distilled water. Example to normality, N percentage into density into 10 equivalent weight. V1 solute is equal to N2 required normality into V2 required volume by N1 original normality. Preparation of one normal H2SO4 solution. Percent 98, density 1.83, molecular weight 98. H2SO4 normality is equal to 36.6. Volume required from H2SO4 is equal to 27.3. Complete to 1 liter with 972.67 ml distilled water. Dilution of samples. Simple dilution. A simple dilution is one in which a unit volume of a liquid material of interest is combined with an appropriate volume of a solvent liquid to achieve the desired concentration. The dilution factor is the total number of unit volumes in which your material will be dissolved. The diluted material must then be thoroughly mixed to achieve the true solution. Example, dilute a serum sample 1:5 dilution as follows. Combining 1 unit volume of serum, for example 200 ml, plus 4 unit volumes of the saline, for example 800 ml. In this case, the dilution factor is 5, that is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 dilution factor. Serial dilution. A serial dilution is simply a series of simple dilutions which amplifies the dilution factor quickly, beginning with a small initial quantity of material. The source of dilution material for each step comes from the diluted material of the previous. In a serial dilution, the total dilution factor at any point is the product of the individual dilution factors in each step up to it. Final dilution factor df is equal to df1 into df2 into df3 etc. Example, using a primary stock solution, for example 2 millimolars per liter, prepares a series of different concentrations using serial dilution as follows. The initial step combines 1 unit volume of stock solution 1100 ml with 9 unit volumes of distilled water. 900 ml is equal to 1:10 dilution. Prepare another 6 tubes, each one contains 500 ml distilled water. Combines 1 unit volume of the first tube 500 ml with the 500 ml distilled water in the second tube. Combines 1 unit volume of the second tube 500 ml with the 500 ml distilled water in the third tube, and so on until the last tube. The total dilution would be 1:10 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 1:640. Specific dilution, it is used when we need to make a specific volume of a known concentration from stock solution. To do this, we use the following formula. V1 C1 is equal to V2 C2. V1 volume of the stock we start with, C1 concentration of stock solution, V2 total volume needed at new concentration, C2 the new concentration. Suppose we have 3 ml of stock solution of 100 mg per ml and we want to make 200 ml of solution having 25 mg per ml. V1 is equal to V2 into C2 divided by C1, that is equal to V1 is equal to 0.2 ml into 25 mg per ml by 100 mg per ml. V1 is equal to 0.05 ml or 50 ml. So we would take a 0.05 ml stock solution and dilute it with 150 ml of solvent to get the 200 ml of 25 mg per ml solution needed. X units compounds are routinely maintained in labs as more concentrated solutions that can be diluted to working strength when used in typical applications. The usual working concentration is denoted as 1x. A solution 20 times more concentrated would be denoted as 20x and would require 1:20 dilution to restore the typical working concentration. Stock solutions of stable compounds are routinely maintained in labs as more concentrated solutions that can be diluted to working strength when used in typical applications. Conversion of concentrated units, conversion of weight percent to molarity. Molarity is equal to percentage into 10 by molecular weight. Conversion of molarity to weight percent. Weight percent is equal to m into molecular weight by 10. Conversion of weight percent to normality. Normality n is equal to percent into 10 by equivalent weight. Conversion of normality to weight percent. Weight percent is equal to normality into equivalent divided by 10. Conversion of normality to molarity. Normality n is equal to molarity m into n. Conversion of molarity to normality. Molarity is equal to normality n divided by n, where n number of S plus ions in acids or OH minus S in bases are valency in salts. Conversion of 8% to gram per liter. Weight percent is equal to gram per liter per 10. Conversion of gram per liter to weight percent, gram per liter is equal to weight percent into 10. Conversion of molarity to gram percent per liter. Gram percent per liter is equal to molecular weight m into molecular weight. Conversion of G divided by L to molarity m is equal to molecular weight by G by L. Conversion of normality to G by L. G by L is equal to molecular weight into equivalent weight. Conversion of G by L to normality m is equal to equivalent weight by gram per liter. So this is regarding solutions preparation. Okay, thank you one and all.